Kipper.
Look what I found. It works, sort of.
I've got a better one.
Maybe I could get a new battery. Oh dear, some of your wallpaper's come off.
I pulled it off. I want to put it all up and paint the walls pink. Would it help?
Hey, look, there's more wallpaper underneath. It's all sticky.
I wish we'd never started.
And I wish I could find something better than this rotten old bicycle lamp.
Like what?
I don't know, something exciting. Hey, Tiger, what's this?
I don't know.
Didn't you know it was here?
No. It's a bit spooky.
Hang on.
Tinky Winky,
That's
Dipsy
no
and
use.
Lala
I'll get
followed the
mine.
footprints over the hills.
Oh, that's better.
Oh,
Perhaps it's a secret passage. Come on, let's explore.
The horror shows to the sun.
dark.
Yeah, so do I.
Oh, that's
Tiger,
yeah.
Across the
how
park,
tall's your house?
I don't know. Why?
These stairs have been going up for ages. I mean, the stairs can't be higher than a house.
the house.
Oh. Let's go back.
No, I want to find out what's at the top. Phew, I wish these stairs would end. Oh, look, Tiger, they have.
I said we shouldn't have come. It's magic. Let's go back before anything happens. Don't go too near the edge, Kipper. You'll fall off. We don't know how far.
Wish you were quiet, Tiger.
To the place where hope
That's it.
I wonder if that will try people to sleep. His light
It's a magic lamp, like Aladdin's.
Do you think?
Cobras fills the tubby custard.
And every time I wish, it comes true.
Who's filled the tubby custard?
I wish I could find something interesting and I found the
That
door.
didn't make Rocket go
I
to
wish
sleep.
there was light,
What do we
and
do
it
now?
was. I wish we could get to the end of the staircase, and we did.
Rocket loves that
I
planets
wish
will
they
do.
could be
That
quiet.
gives me an idea. Maybe the planets could help Rocket
sorry.
fall asleep.
I wish Tiger can talk
Sounds
again.
like someone is having trouble
Thank
falling
you,
asleep.
Kipper.
Who's
Let me
having
have a
trouble
go.
falling asleep?
I wish I didn't have to strip any more wallpaper.
That's boring. Can't you wish for something better than that? I wish, I know. I wish we could go on the biggest, highest, longest, scariest Big Dipper in the whole world.
He wriggles his tail as he sends up a spark. He pierces the night
Where's the
with
trap?
one yellow eye,
There's no
and
trap.
all the earth
It's
trembles
magic,
as he
remember?
rushes by.
Come on.
Oh dear.
the lamp.